HP LaserJet Keyboard Assembly Installation 5QK47A. Prepare to install the keyboard by gathering the outer cover, screws, a screwdriver, and the keyboard. First, remove the keyboard mounting and connector cover from the printer. Extend the keyboard bracket and locate the mounting tabs. Install the tabs on the top of the bracket into the slots on the printer, and then rotate the bracket down until the bottom tabs snap into place. Install the 4 mounting screws. Then connect the keyboard connector and push the cable in to secure it. Install the outer cover. Install the screw and screw cap to secure the cover. The keyboard is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.